Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus 15R and let me share with you how to check for these software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and I highly recommend using Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. And then let's open the Play Store. Sorry, not the Play Store, the settings. So in the settings, we have to scroll all the way down to find the option System and Update, and tap on Software Update at the top. Now your device is checking for the updates, and basically you can meet two different scenarios. So this is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download. And the second one is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on Download or Install and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.